finally texted me after 4 days. Yes! I'm gonna respond straight away. That'll get her. Don't do it, Jeffrey. Don't do it. Oh. No response yet. And so Jeffrey starts to stalk her Instagram story. She's with another guy. Yeah, he's just, they're just friends. Yeah, they're just friends. Adonis notices Anastasia walking past him. He gives her a confident smile, even a little wink. And then he goes right back to his work. Anastasia is left wondering why he isn't running up to her like all of the Jeffreys. But it makes sense. He is the ultimate male after all, and work is his priority. She's waiting and waiting and waiting for his text message. And when it finally comes, my God, what a text that is. Instantly, she is so excited to see him. How did Adonis command this much attraction from Anastasia just from his singular text message? That's what Adonis is going to teach us today. Be playful, flirty, and sexual. These guys are not asking her these dry questions like, oh wait, what are you going to do after science class? The kind of guys that are actually sleeping with these girls, actually dating these girls are obsessed with. These girls are like crying because this guy's not replying. Guess what these guys actually are like? They don't care about what she's doing. They're just having like a fun time messaging her and like playing around with her. So far we've covered that you're not going to act like the guys who get left on red, which is taking an interest in their life, because that's not attractive, even though every girl will tell you it is. It's so weird because it's like I'm telling you to do something which girls will tell you doesn't work, and yet it will work. You'll never find a girl who's totally obsessed with the guy who takes an interest in their lives. Just as simple as that. If there is anyone like that, if there is any relationships like that, it's usually that the guy's really feminine, the girl's really masculine, and the guy's just obsessed with her and while she wants to go and do her career and shit, which probably isn't the kind of relationship that you want. If you're a masculine guy, you want a feminine woman, you want a woman who's more taking an interest in you whilst you take an interest in your work. So the way to then text a girl is to always hold this kind of like funny, flirty, playful attitude when you text her. There's no dry, oh, what are you gonna do? It's more like, I bet you're stepping on snails right now. That's a fucking random one. I bet like that's like just try that, bro. Instead of ever asking to go, oh, what are you doing right now? Literally just send her the message. I bet you're stepping on snails right now. Like send that as your first Tinder message. I guarantee you'll get more responses than, hey, how are you doing? To attract a woman, it isn't even about making her like you. Every guy who's actually successful with women knows this. And every guy who's not good with women, maybe you, doesn't know this. Every fuckboy, every player, the guys who have been ultra successful with women know what it is. You don't have to make a woman like you. You just have to make a woman emotionally invested into you. You have to simply make her think more about you and she will fall for you. It's as simple as that. You have to take up more brain space for her. The little chump who's one-dimensional and takes an interest in her and just asks her how she's doing. Well, he doesn't take up that space because she's just thinking, oh yeah, it's boring chump. He's not mysterious. Yep, that's what I expected him to say. I expected him to send me a chumpy message. He did. Okay, sweet. So, confirmed. No need to think about him anymore. But Chad, why won't he reply back? And why did he just reply back with like a seemingly insult? Now she's thinking about this Chad guy and she's taking his screenshot, sending it to her friends. Like, what does this mean? Oh, he said that I'm stepping on snails. What does it mean? You make her think about something. You act playful and flirty and a little bit sexual. I bet you're watching stepbrother porn right now. Now, obviously you've got to, know your audience and you don't want to do this with some girl who's going to be offended or something. But the thing is, the guy who's actually getting this girl doesn't even give a shit if she's offended. You don't need to like steal my lines, but you need to just come up with something that actually makes you laugh. The whole point of this is that you're this like authentic, high value guy who's literally just doing whatever you want. So don't just completely copy my sentences, but find something that literally makes you laugh. Like you can't stop laughing as you're about to send it to her. Like you're just playing with her, you're just teasing her. And when you've done that, I guarantee that if this girl is actually attracted to your normal, natural, masculine energy, she's gonna be totally into you. She's gonna text you back something great and she's gonna take an interest in you. And this is actually where most guys fuck up. So you may have done this before. You may have actually been quite attractive to a girl. She's actually texting you. She's interested in you. It seems all great. You might even go meet up and then she just kind of disappears. She stops replying. She starts ghosting you.